Hi, this is AJ from MFG.com. To whom am I speaking?
This is Noel Simmons.
Hi, Noel. What company do you work with? What company are you at?
Wise Engineering in Lewistown, Montana.
Where's that at in Montana again?
Lewistown, Montana.
Lewistown. Whereabouts in the state is that?
We are in the center of the state, geographic center.
Awesome. Hey, can you tell me a little bit about Wise Engineering, what you make, the specialties and industries you're involved in?
Wise Engineering was started by my wife and I, and we design and develop products. There are a lot of individuals and a lot of companies in the state of Montana that do not have the resources of reverse engineering, 3D CAD or CAM or milling, CNC milling, and injection molding. And so we started this company not only for our products, but to help other people bring their products up through prototyping into a little bit of light manufacturing all the way up to, you know, full-blown punching out parts every day.
What type of processes and parts do you make?
We make everything from aircraft parts for a little company in Washington, motorcycle parts that are retrofittable on Harley Davidsons. We injection mold an underwater welding stinger, injection mold underwater, diving masks for welding masks, machine out some rails and light holders to hold LEDs and cameras on diving masks. We've done some helicopter parts, the RC helicopter parts, the instruments for aircraft, just basically anything that anybody can dream up and put on a napkin, we can make, or we can figure out how to make it. That's where we've been very successful. Having every process in house, being creative, not being locked down to one system or another. That's where we've really shined.
Sounds like you're pretty diverse.
Well, we have to be here. We just can't run down the street and find somebody with a CNC mill or a CNC lathe, so we have to do all of that in-house. Same goes with the CAD and the CAM, so we have to be very, very good with our SolidWorks. We've got to be very good with our CAM system. To buy aluminum or buy tools, we have to ship everything in, so we have to have a little bit in-house, and we have to order what we order and not mess up.
See, hey, Noel, how long have you been a member of MFG.com?
We started the first of the year, I believe. We're just a 1 year. It's been very, very good for us. We've done work for all kinds of people all over the country that would have never heard of Montana, much less us. And we've been bidding on jobs for NASA and quite a few of the universities, the one-off type prototype stuff. We've been bidding jobs for, Sumomoto machine tool for an injection molded fan, just all kinds of stuff like that. And we're able to start bringing some of these projects to central Montana, and that not only helps us out, but it also helps out our local economy.
Awesome. Hey, can you talk a little bit about how you use MFG.com specifically? I mean, for example, do you just bid on every job you see? Talk a little bit about how you meet people and how you've used MFG.com successfully.
Well, I've tried it several ways. Bidding on every job you see is not near as effective as actually contacting the customer, starting a relationship with the customer, and then working through their problems, because they all have problems that they're there. And we have just blindly bid jobs, got the jobs, sent the jobs out, and then the customer had provided bad CAD models or something, and even though they paid us for them, they were unable to use them, and that's just a waste of my time and a waste of their time. And so I have committed myself to, working with them to make sure that, nobody's time or money gets wasted.
Noel, also the buyers that you've met on MFG.com, have you gotten work from them outside of MFG.com? That is, after you establish the initial contact?
Well, in a way, what we've had recently is we've been awarded jobs that we haven't bid on, but everything has been through MFG.com. Sometimes a project grows a little bit compared to what we've bid on, but essentially when we bid a job, that's the job we're working with them on, and then when they like us, and so they award us other jobs really without even having to bid on them, just because they know we're going to treat them fair.
See? Have you found that your MFG.com profile has attracted any interest in you?
I don't know. It's hard to say. My profile is just kind of the standard cookie cutter profile. I can't say one way or the other.
Well, it is just to let you know, it is something to pay attention to because we've found that the more information that you can put into your profile, the more often that buyers, when they are investigating you and looking you up, they can really get a much better sense of what you can provide. So, and we also provide a lot of data about who visits your site and who's been looking at it. So it's another way for you to develop a buyer's list.
Yes.
I sure do appreciate your time today, Noel. Is there anything you'd like to add about Wise Engineering and your experiences on MFG?
Well, MFG has really helped us. We've got a lot of capability. We have the drive to do it. We just don't have the customers here. So by being able to reach out and find customers that need what we have, and that helps a tremendous amount. That really does.
I see. Noel, thank you very much for your time today.
You're very welcome. I'll talk to you later.
Take care.